Good morning, boys and girls. And it is Wednesday today, and I'm back in school. Now, I'm not in my classroom though. I'm in somewhere different. Can you guess where I am? There's a cooker, and there's a microwave. That's right, it's the breakfast room. But unfortunately, I can't see any breakfast for me here. Oh well, I may do some work instead. Now we're going to start by doing our date. And today's date is Wednesday, the 3rd of February 2021. So Wednesday's quite a long word. Wednesday, the 3rd of February 2021. So don't forget, that's the first thing you do every morning. You write your date. That's right. And then after that, it's time for tricky words. And today we get a chance to read through all of the tricky words. So let's read through them together first. See if you can say them before I say them. You shout them out. He. We. She. Be. Me. You. Her. Was. Are. All. My. They. Were you able to say some of them before me? I hope so. So today we are putting one of the coins into the treasure chests, but the right coin has to go into the right chest, doesn't it? So here we have the word he. We have to find the treasure chest with the word he and then match it with a line. Now, he's quite easy because it's right beside it, isn't it? He and he. So you could draw a line matching he to he. Now, this one is we. Is this we? No. So you're going to have to look for the box that has the word we and join it with a line. Then, if you had time, you could colour your coin and your matching treasure chest the same colour. That's called colour coding them, if you have time. But the most important thing is that you do your joining lines, okay? So each time you read the coin and you try to find the box that has the same word. And also, I want you to practice reading these aloud for someone at home, all right? Saying each word, making sure that you know it. And these ones at the bottom too, all right? So we're matching the coins to the treasure boxes and we're making sure that we can say aloud each word, all right? Today in literacy, we are finishing off our handwriting practice. Now you'll see we've just a little bit of the alphabet left, so you only have a little bit of handwriting to do today. And we are going from the letter V to the letter Z. So V makes a V sound, W makes a W sound. X, can you remember what sound X makes? You might not know this one yet. X, X. It's a strange sound, isn't it? Y, Y. And Z, Z, Z. And we are practicing writing these words. So for the V, you go down, sideways, and up again. Down and up. Now, the W then, the W sound, is very like the V, only you have to go down and up twice. Down, up, down, up. All right. X then, you do a line this way, and then another line going through it that way. So down this way first, and then that way. Next one then, Y. Down and around, up, down and curl under the line. Down and around, up, down and curve under the line. Okay, so the Y is the only letter today that has a little tail that goes down through the line. The rest of the letters all sit on the line. Remember we said the line is like a little shelf for the letters to sit on. And if they don't sit properly on the shelf, they'll get tired, won't they? So they need to sit nicely on the shelf, on the line. And then your Z, over this way, over that way, over this way. So over, back, over. Over, back, over. You actually have to zigzag your pencil, don't you, to make a Z. Now for our maths lesson today, for our maths activity, you will need scissors and glue. So if you don't have those things, you can pause the video now and go and see if you can find some around. Now, we are doing adding. And again, you might need your number line to help you with your adding. All right, so go and collect your number line as well. You can pause this video if you need to. It will help you with counting on. Now, you'll see at the top here, there are 3 numbers, 7, 8, and 9. And down the bottom are questions, and you have to work out the answers to these. Okay, so let's look at the first one together. 7 plus 0. If I have 7 and I add 0, how much do I have altogether? I still have 7, don't I? So I would cut out this question, cut, and stick it here because the answer was 7, wasn't it? Now let's look at another one. 7 plus 1. So put 7 in your head, count on one more. What would the answer be? 7 add 1. 8, isn't it? So if the answer's 8, we have to cut this out and stick it here. So when the answer is 7, you stick your questions here. When the answer is 8, you stick them here. And when your answer is 9, you stick them in here. Okay, so we're adding, then cutting and sticking. Okay, now try your best to cut out these yourself. And I don't mind if they're a little bit wibbly wobbly when they're stuck in. But it is so good for your finger muscles to cut out yourself. Now, if you get a bit stuck, you can get someone at home to give you a little bit of help. But try first yourself to cut out these questions and stick them in the proper spaces. All right? Oh my goodness, boys and girls. I forgot to start by looking at your spellings. So we'll take a look at them now. Oh, silly Mrs. McFadden. Spellings are so important. Now, do you remember yesterday I was telling you that each of these spellings have a vowel in the middle? Vowel. And vowels are special letters that appear in almost every word in the world. And the vowels in the alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U. And I know that all of you have at least one of those vowels in your name. Let's read through our words together. I'll say them and then you repeat after me, okay? Hot. Big. Bed. Mug. Cat. Bug. And leg. Very good. And we write them into our Wednesday column. So don't forget also, boys and girls, to do your reading. And I know a lot of you are reading loads and loads, and it makes me so happy. Also, Sumdog is always there to go on to as well. So try to make a little time for Sumdog. And you'll find that I've posted a little activity for Children's Mental Health Day, or Mental Health Week, I should say, as well. A Wednesday activity. So I hope you enjoy that. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.